Welcome everyone. Today I have my memory card. Ooh. We have a wicked, spooky, and corny Halloween episode. We're doing this just for fun, okay? Hold on. Oh! Watch if you dare. Ooh! Okay? Let's get a little R&R. Oh. Hey Brian,
Hey.
what's up?
Hey Tim. Hey, just wanted to let you know there's a big fishing tournament going on, and I'm gonna need the week off because it's an all-week event, and I'm pretty good at it, and I want to make some dough. So I'm gonna need the week off. Okay?
Okay, you could have just called.
Oh, I just thought it would be better if I told you in person, because then maybe you wouldn't believe me or something.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay,
All right, cool. Yeah, you can have the week off. That's fine.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it, and wish me luck.
All right, good luck.
Okay.
All right, I'll see you next week.
Yeah, have a good one.
Yeah, you see.
Thanks, man.
Yep, bye. Well, that was weird. All right, so here's a little spot I gotta fix with some fiberglass. It cracked, so put that right there. So I'm gonna fix that, put some fiberglass in there, and get that ready. So I'm gonna grab my fiber. What the? Where did it go? What the heck? What is going on? So busy week here. I got a lot of little things going on. I'm gonna take this off. Put that right there. So I'm gonna fix this little rust spot here. Little rust spot on that car. So, all right. So, I gotta put all my pieces away. What the heck? Where did that go now? I need a 10 millimeter. I think. Really? What the frick was that? That door's open. Okay. Oh, Max. I'm glad you're here. I don't know where everything keeps going. I do not know where everything keeps going. Where is all my stuff? I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind.
What's going on?
I don't know. Brian's not here. My tools keep missing. I don't know what the heck's going on. What do you... Max, you gotta help me. I don't know what's going on.
You're always losing stuff, Tim. You must just put it down, forget where it went.
Alright, I gotta get this truck out of here. I don't know what's going on. I gotta get this truck out of here. Alright, I'm glad I got that out of here. Max, come help me put some... pick up this stuff around this Firebird. What was that all about?
I have no idea, Tim, but I have a hunch.
What's that, Max?
It's a lump on my back, but that doesn't matter. I think there's someone outside. We should sneak over and see if we can figure it out.
Focus! Let's go check out what's outside.
Okay.
Alright, so let's go. Here you go.
Tim, I got this great trick we can use. Ready?
Okay.
How you like that trick, huh? That was a pretty good trick, right?
Or treat.
Trick.
Or treat.
Trick.
Or treat. Trick or treat! Trick or treat!
Coming, I'm coming! Hello! Oh, hi, that's my alarm system. What do we have here? We have a Quasimodo. Here's your stick of butter. Oh, how cute. And that mummy's kind of scary, so I'm just gonna toss him his stick of butter. And a 5'7" Auto Body guy. Here's your stick of butter.
5'9".
5'9", yeah.
But who's counting?
Okay, if you think so. Bye.
That was weird.
Yeah. All right.
Anyways, get over here. Sit down. All right.
I wonder who it is.
Okay. I'm struggling, man.
I would have got away with it if for you damn kids and that dog.
Good thing for the alarm system. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment. Have a nice day. Happy? Happy? Whatever it is.